Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll start a new set of lectures on SAT reasoning section math. And you can download or buy this book, The College Panda SAT Math. It has 28 chapters and 28 different topics that will come on SAT reasoning section math. Okay, this is day 1, chapter 1, and the topic is exponents and radicals. Here we have a set of laws that you should memorize in order to be able to solve questions regarding this topic. Let's quickly move to examples. Example 1, if 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to y, then what is the value of 3 to the power of x in terms of y? So this question asks us to isolate 3 to the power of x. How can we separate plus 2 on the power over here? So in order to separate this, we should use a low number 3 here, over here. We can separate if the powers are added to each other, we can separate it in this way. So left hand side, 3 to the power of x plus 2 can be written as 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2, which is y. So 3 to the power of x multiplied by 9 will be y, and 3 to the power of x is y divided by 9. So we have find what is 3 to the power of x in terms of y. It will be y divided by 9. Answer is D. And the next example, example 2, if 3 to the power of a plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of minus a plus 7, what is the value of a? Okay, if we look, here we have two similar numbers with different powers. In order for this sign to hold, the powers should also be equal. So we'll take the power on the left hand side, a plus 1, and should be equal to the power on the right hand side, minus a plus 7. So it will be we'll do little operation here. It will be 2a is equal to 6, and a will be 3. Let's check if it's true. It will be 3 to the power of, instead of a, we'll put 3 plus 1, and 3 to the power of minus, instead of a, we'll just plug in 3 plus 7. It will be 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 3 to the power of minus 3 plus 7 is 4. So it is correct. Example 3. If 2a minus b is equal to 4, what is the value of 4 to the power of a divided by 2 to the power of b? We have to find what is this expression over here. So we should start from this part and try to get this expression over here. So first, we know that 4 is just 2 to the power of 2. So this expression can be written as 2 to the power of 2 to the power a. So instead of 4 here, we just plug in 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of b. So from this part, we can use low number 4 over here to write this expression in another form. So it will be okay, first we have to simplify the numerator. So it will be, we'll use the expression low number 5. So it will be 2, and these two powers will be just multiplied. A 2 to the power of 2a divided by 2 to the power of b. From this step, we can use low number 4, and this form can be turned into this form over here. So it will be 2 to the power of numerator subtracted by denominator. As you can see, we have just came to this part. So we know that 2a minus b is 4. So instead of this expression, we can write 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Okay, example number 4. Which of the following is equal to root to the power 4 and under root we have x to the power of 5. So this radical, let me show you a little trick here with the radical. So if we have any number, let's say x, and we have 2 spots. The first spot will be right top corner of a number that is under square. So let's say it is a, it will be x to the power of a, and the power of this square will be b, let's say. So this can be written as x to the power of a divided by b. So in the numerator, we'll write the power of number, and in denominator, we write the power of square. Okay, so in this example, we have x to the power of 5, and the power of square root is 4. So this can be written as x to the power of 5 divided by 4. So the answer will be C. And the last example, if 4 multiplied by square root of 3 is equal to square root of 3x, what is x? 4 square root 3 is equal to square root of 3x. Let's leave left hand side for now and deal with the right hand side. We can write, so the number, our number will be 3x, and in numerator we have invisible 1 here, so 1, and we have invisible 2 here. So if the root doesn't have any power, then it means we have invisible 2. So this term over here can be divided into 2 parts. Let's say 4 multiplied by square root of 3, and this term over here can be separated into 2 parts. It will be 3 to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 over 2. We know that this square root of 3 and 3 to the power of 1 over 2 are same, so we can cancel them out, and we'll be left with 4 is equal to 1 x to the power of 1 over 2, and it will be 4 will be, this expression can be written as square root of x. So the square root of number is equal to 4, then our x will be 16. The answer is C. Okay, this is all for lecture 1. The topic was exponents and radicals. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.